How to navigate your course page for lecturers. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Interact with the course content. 2. Navigate the course content. 3. Interact with course elements. And 4. Use the course navigation. Let's start from the My Courses page. Click on the course title or image to open the course page. On your course page, you will see the course title, the course navigation, and the course content. You will also see tags placed in the top right and top left corners of the page. Now, let's look at the course content. Activities and resources are listed with a title and icon for their type. Activities are grouped into sections, which you can identify by the drop-down arrow button located to the left of the bold section title. You can click on the drop-down arrow button to expand or collapse the section. Click on an activity title to open it. The activity page will vary depending on the type of activity. At the top left of the page, above the activity title, is the path to the current page, which is called the breadcrumb trail. You can step back to the section page that the activity is in by clicking on the section title in the breadcrumb trail. You can also click on the section title on the course page to open the section page. The page displays only activities and resources within that section. You can return to the course page by clicking the course's short name in the breadcrumb trail at the top left of the page. Commonly, the first section of the course page is used to welcome you to the course. A section can also house subsections, which behave in the same way as a section, but are instead listed within a section. Also note that activities hidden from students will be marked as hidden. To the right of the page, click the tab with the left-pointing chevron icon to open the block drawer that contains a block specific to the course page, added by the lecturer. This may include blocks such as the Course Contacts block, which lists the lecturers in the course for quick access communication, the Upcoming Events block, where upcoming assessments and activities appear in order of recency, and the Activities block has links to view activities on the course page by type. To close the block drawer, click on the X icon in the top right corner. To the left of the page, click on the tab with the bullet list icon to open the course index. It is an ordered list of all the sections and activities on the page for quicker navigation. You can click on a section or activity title to open it on the page. Activities with completion conditions will be represented by a circle to the left of the title. The circle will not be filled for conditions that are not done, and will be filled with green when they are done. Activities without completion conditions will have no circle. To close the course index, click on the X icon in the top left corner. At the top of the course page is the course navigation. This allows you to open other pages within the course. The current page is highlighted in green. The participant page contains all users enrolled in the course. On the grades page, you can view grade reports and manage the gradebook. The activities page provides you with a list of all activities sorted into sections by their type. Simply click on the Expand button for a section to reveal a list of all activities belonging to that type. The More tab lists additional pages, your tools, such as the reports, question banks, content bank, course completion, badges, filters, and other tools. Finally, at the top right of the page, in the navigation bar, you can switch edit mode on to make changes to the course page. Now you can interact with the course content, navigate the course content, interact with course elements, and use the course navigations